Alright, Jason's about to do this. The tab's still up there. She's gonna walk inside of it, and the floor is gonna go out, and it's gonna drop her. And that's gonna be the camera that she's gonna be in. The camera up there. She wanted to be a little rock star, and she wanted to do this by herself. I already did it, not gonna lie, it's really scary. Is that her? She's doing it.
Oh my god.
Come on, Jason, you got it. She's scared. Aww. Jason. She chickened out. Well, at least she's up there. Walk of shame. You chickened out.
Sorry. I was nervous to get in there.
It was scary, but you chickened out.
Sorry. Well, can I still play Xbox?
Good job.
Well, can I still play